Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are out there. Again guys, my name is Carson Cook, your CSO Pro, and today guys, this video is mainly directed towards younger sales professionals, college students, high school students, people that are just getting into their sales careers, and they need to understand this very valuable point. And it's extremely important, guys, to understand this concept and to be able to use these tools to your benefit. And I'll give you a really good example, guys, of why this is so important, especially with younger sales professionals, people that are just getting into sales. And that's the power of sales support. Okay, now as sales professionals, again, just like stated in some of our other videos, a lot of sales professionals have a lot of really big egos. They have to have a lot of energy. They have to feel like they're the, they're the bully in the crowd, or they're the knowledgeable one, and they're gonna ooh rah rah, right? And they have all that passion and that knowledge that they're bringing to the table. The issue with that, guys, is that especially for younger sales professionals that have an attitude, is that they tend to think that they know what they're doing, and they don't use the support tools necessary to shrink their learning curve. And even if you're very successful in one industry and you're moving to another, it's almost like it's more beneficial for me. Put me at the bottom of the pole, put me in the field. Let me show you what I can do, but I'm gonna pick up every little piece of knowledge along the way so that I'm super effective, and I'll climb the ranks very quickly. And often that happens in sales, and that's okay. But you need to understand, guys, is that there are various tools, and then having the power of sales support as an understanding for yourself as a sales professional is extremely valuable. Okay, so take the advice of your gurus, take the advice of your sales staff, take the advice of the top performers, and use that advice. Okay, so we're gonna talk about 3 different things that are gonna help. Using your sales manager. Okay, using your sales manager is extremely important, guys. And we got a little bit of a clip to show you guys from the movie The Boiler Room, which is super cool. It's a point where the junior associate is being trained, and the training is extremely straight to the point, clear and concise. And they find out in the movie how much their phone bill is, and the phone bill actually blows the junior associate's mind. How much can you be spending on a phone bill? What's the phone bill like here? And he goes, oh, about this much last month. And he goes, right? So you need to understand, guys, is that a sales organization and a sales company will not invest that much money into something that doesn't work. Okay, they invest money into stuff that works, that gets you deals, gets you paid. So you need to understand is that you follow that process. Okay, so we're gonna roll the clip right now.
Hey, these are the D&B cards. These are our leads.
Morning.
Every one of these cards is an opportunity, all right? These are good leads. The people on these cards buy stock. Your job is to call them and get them interested in the firm. You're not actually selling stock yet, but you're selling the dream. So get them wet. Tell them that in a month from now, a senior broker is going to call them back with an idea.
But so who are these people?
Average clients, 45 years old, from the Midwest, $150,000 annual income, $1 million net, has a local broker but loves a hotshot New Yorker who sounds good on the phone, So the card's not going to tell you any of that. It only has their name, address, and occupation, so you got to feel them out.
See.
Peter Davis, Vice President, Parks Telecommunications. Guy's probably So, feel him out, see what he's playing with. The truth is, it doesn't really even matter these days. With the Dow where it is now, everybody wants a piece of the market. I can close anyone, anytime, anywhere in the country. Just give me a phone number.
Greg, I have John Dunk.
Not now, I'll call him back. All right, now once you qualify the guy, you send him a press packet. It'll all be really easy, and it'll get you comfortable being on the phone, which is key. This entire business revolves around the phone. Play the numbers. This is a contact sport, meaning the more people you contact, the better you'll do. I mean, a good broker makes over 700 calls a day.
Why? What's the phone bill like here?
This month was approaching 400,000. Now listen to me. Even though you're not actually selling stock yet, I want you to remember the coda we have here, okay? Did you see Glengarry Glen Ross?
Yeah.
Okay, do you remember ABC?
Yeah, always be closing.
That's right, always be closing. Telling's not selling. That's the attitude you want to have, okay? Now there's 2 rules you have to remember as a trainee. Number 1, we don't pitch the bitch here.
What?
We don't sell stock to women. I don't care who it is, we don't do it. Nancy Sinatra calls, you tell her you're sorry. They're a constant pain in the and you're never going to hear the end of it, all right? They're going to call you every day wanting to know why the stock is dropping, and God forbid the stock should go up. You're going to hear from them every 15 minutes. It's just not worth it. Don't pitch the
Okay, yeah, don't pitch the bid.
Okay, number 2, don't write wood, all right? A lot of trainees are so anxious to get off the phone that they just steamroll the guy into getting the press packet so they can hang up. Then I call back, and I'm like, hi, you spoke to a junior associate of mine last month, and the guy's like, yeah, not interested, bye. That's lead, okay? That's the info we send is all right? The most important part of the call is telling them that you have that one great idea and that a senior broker is going to call them back in a month. This way they don't think that we just fire off 1 million recos a day. And we don't want our clients thinking you're pitching them something that you read in the journal this morning, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so
yeah.
no wood. I'm serious, no wood.
All right, take it easy, take it easy.
Hey, don't even start that with me, okay? I'm trying to tell you what's expected of you and what your job is. I'm trying to make your job easier here, okay? Don't give me any of that
Oh, okay. Okay, so fine. What happens if the guy wants to buy stock right then?
Okay, now you're talking. You want to go into every call expecting just that. If somebody wants a recommendation, you put the guy on hold, you stand up and you yell "Reco" at the top of your lungs. First senior broker who gets on the horn gets the sale. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay.
That suit's dog shit. Get a new suit.
Okay guys, we're back. Just wanted to make sure if you can kind of see there exactly what I'm talking about is that a sales company will invest that money, okay, into your sales tools. They bought that tool and they pay that much money for the junior associate to be successful. That's it. So it's important to understand is that you need to use your sales manager for training. You need to use, number two, you need to use your company's tools, whether it's the phone, the computer, the CRM. You need to learn how to master that. You need to be able to learn the company's training. And I see a lot of young sales professionals will go into a training program, maybe pick up or retain 50% of the other information, and there's still much more information that's provided within the CRM or your packet, or there's ongoing training with your manager, and they don't use it. They try and reinvent the wheel, and it shoots them in the foot. It makes their learning curve longer. And our goal, especially when you're coming as a younger sales professional within that industry and within that company, is to kill your learning curve. Kill your learning curve. Okay, learn what you could have learned in 5 months in 1 month. Okay, kill your learning curve. Sell as many deals as you could have in 6 months in 1 month, right? It's all the process about numbers. So the fastest way you're gonna do that is to take advice, ask questions. Number two, use your company's tools. Number three is that you need to be able to use your top performers. Okay, you need to be able to build rapport with them. Sometimes these top performers are a little bit crazy. Now what do I mean by that? Sales performers are a little bit crazy. Some of the top performing athletes on the baseball field, guys, were always just a little bit crazy. They have these little weird things that they do, but you can always go to them for advice, especially as a rookie on the baseball team, right? They're gonna be the ones that you need to look after. That are gonna give you the background advice, the little tips and tricks that you need to succeed. It's no different, guys, in the Shark Tank. It's no different in the sales room, okay? It's the same exact thing, is that the top performers top perform for a reason. So you need to become friends with them, learn from them, take the advice, mix it with your professional sales skills or the talents that you have, stick with the steps of a sale on your defined process, and use that advice and that knowledge to help you kill that learning curve. Okay, guys, so those are the three very important things: using your sales managers, using your company's tools, and using the top performers when you're getting into sales, and you will completely take full advantage of using your sales support. So thanks a lot, guys. Check out the CSOpro.com, guys. Also check out the No Shit Sales Journal. It's on Amazon right now. It's a book that we had come out in May. Awesome, awesome book, guys. Pick your copy up right now on Amazon. Thanks a lot for tuning into the CSO Pro. We'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, this is Carson Cook, back at you again with the CSO Pro. Just wanted to put everything out there, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning into all the videos here on YouTube. I just wanted to point out to you guys real quick, just once again, this book will be going on sale May 1st this year, 2019. So coming up here pretty shortly, guys. And this is the No Shit Sales Journal, a confident, common sense, and practical guide to sales. Basically your Cliff Note version, okay, that can get you up to speed, guys, and give you a very solid foundation on how to sell. Now this book, guys, is not just for sales professionals. This book you need to buy and read. It will help your life with your family, your kids, pretty much anyone that you would like to communicate with and become better at communication. Okay, so make sure you go to Amazon, guys, and put in your pre-order right now. We'll include a link below. But this book, guys, is going to be going on sale May 1st. It's also, guys, been featured on the Sales Babble with Pat Helmers. You can tune in to find out a little bit more about the book at salesbabble.com. Very, very, very good podcast. Pat Helmers, guys, is a very standing guy within sales. Very, very, very solid reputation. Amazing podcast with some of the best techniques, communication techniques, tips and tricks for sales. So go to the salesbabble.com. I'll put that link in the description below. But guys, please make sure to pick up your copy on Amazon today. Get one right now. Thanks, guys.